Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by loading your plate with samples and controls. This is critical so the reader measures meaningful signals. First, place blanks and controls in consistent wells so you can baseline and validate every run. Once done, pipette exact volumes, for example 100 μl, and remove bubbles because they distort readings. Make sure seals or lids are secure to prevent evaporation. You do this now so the instrument receives uniform samples, and your results are reproducible and comparable. Now you program the plate reader settings to match your assay because incorrect parameters ruin runs. Start by choosing the correct detection mode, absorbance, fluorescence, or luminescence, and enter exact wavelengths and gain to maximize signal without saturation. Next, define the read pattern and integration time to capture kinetics or endpoint data. Also set temperature and shaking if the assay requires incubation. Once configured, preview the plate map to confirm sample and control positions, match what you loaded. You execute the run and watch the initial wells to verify signals fall within expected ranges, because early checks prevent wasted plates. During the read, monitor for error messages and unstable baselines. If readings look wrong, stop and inspect wells for bubbles or misloads. After a successful run, save both raw and processed data and export them as CSV for analysis. Finally, clean the plate carrier, document run parameters, and note any deviations so your results remain traceable and audit-ready.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.